Hello, it's Mac Attram here, and listen, T.R. Becker is an amazing program designer, and one of his leading programs is called a Millionaire Mind Intensive. I urge you to learn more about it. One of the things you'll learn and discover at the Millionaire Mind Intensive is something we call the four quadrants. And the four quadrants simply says that we live in four worlds at any given time. We live in the mental world. We live in the emotional world. We live in the spiritual world. We also live in the physical world. Now, let me ask you these questions. The mental world, is that inner game or outer game? That's the inner world, right? The emotional world, is that inner world or outer world? The spiritual, is that inner world or outer world? Yes, inner world. Physical, is that inner world or outer world? Correct. That is the outer world. What most people don't realize is that your physical results, what are your physical results? I'm talking about your happiness. I'm talking about the kind of money you earn. I'm talking about your wealth, your where you live. There is physical results that you have. And whether you make your money through stock trading or whether you make money through real estate property or through business, you have physical result. Now, everything we have physically, comes from the inner world. So those three things, mental, emotional, spiritual, inner world, so the physical world we live in is merely a printout of what's going on in the inner world. So in other words, if you are not happy with the results that you are getting, there is something going on in your inner world. In other words, at the root cause of what's going on with your results. And again, let me say this. If you are not happy with results in regards to money, because money is a result. Relationships are a result. Loving relationships are a result. Your illness is a result. Disease is a result. Your health, as you know, is a result. But how did you get these results? How did you get these physical manifestations? It comes from your inner world. And I urge you to come and join us at the Millionaire Mind Intensive, where you will discover the real cause of your physical results. And if you want to improve your results in any physical form or way, come and let us show you how to improve your roots so you can have better fruits. The fruits being the results that you are getting right now. Thank you very much.